Hey guys, Josh from Fortis HD here. We're at the Donaldson booth at ConExpo 23. I'm here with Jessica. She's going to explain a little bit about their new filter setups.
All right. So this is a power core filter. So I'm sure you guys are used to seeing in the air filtration industry the typical pleated round filters that flow outside in. So this is power core technology where the filter actually is solid on the inside, and so the air actually flows straight through. It allows us to fit more media into a smaller space, so we're actually able to reduce the overall size. You can get the same level of filtration in a smaller package.
And we're also doing this in different sizes too, right?
Yes,
Like
we can go very small up to very large. Some of our smallest filters are about 8 inches in diameter, and some of our largest filters are 21 inches in diameter.
Exactly. So it's a filtration system that'll fit any equipment.
Yes.
So if you want to give it a shot, give us a shout. We'll look out for it. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
Nice and easy. Any of you guys doing service in the field, you're running into air filter problems, you're running into these bad boys. They're now pretty readily available aftermarket. Give us a call. Completely different systems, but still available. So the inner outer is replaced with one unit, so the direct flow, right? So we're flowing right through, right? And that's taking care of everything, whereas the inner outer recirculates the air, right? If you guys want to see the difference of these installing, we will make a video of it. Just let us know, and we'll show you the pros and cons of everything, like always. And we won't bullshit you. Straight truth.